Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Firestone 1/4-inch tubing connector. This is going to have the push to connect fitting on the one end so that you can get your 1/4-inch tubing put in place. It's going to hold on to it, won't let it slip out. On the other end, we're going to have a 1/8 NPT or National Pipe Thread fitting so that you can thread this into your 1/8 NPT valve and then get your 1/4-inch tubing connected to it. This is approximately 13/16 of an inch long by about 5/8 of an inch wide. As you can see there. So it's not going to take up much room. I'm just going to provide that connection for you so that you can get that 1/4-inch tubing put onto an NPT, 1/8 NPT valve. That's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.